seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
May sasakay. Yan yung bangka. Diyan tayo sasakay, guys. Yan si Mrs. Oh. Yan. So camping tayo ngayon kasi holiday po ng 3 days. Kaya pupunta pa kami sa isang isla. Magpi-fishing kami doon, mag-iihaw kami. Uwi kami kinabukasan. Yan, guys, ito yung Yas Island. So, hey, naon na diyan, my loves. So pupunta yan. Dadalhin yan doon, guys. Yung sasakyan namin, dadalhin yan doon. Yan. So doon na kami sasakay sa baba. My loves, naon na diyan. Diyan ka. Yehey. Yan. Yan na, guys, so dadalhin na sa dagat yung sasakyan namin. Yan. Andun si Mrs. oh, nakasakay na. Hello! Ingat ka dyan, mahulog ka. Yan. Andun na yung bangka namin. Naming sasakyan papunta ng island. Andun na yung mga kasamahan natin. Yan. Yehey! Hello! Ayun, si Mrs. Doon na si Mrs. oh. Whoops! Dahan-dahan lang. Yehey! So, sasakay na kami, guys. Thank you! Yan ang mga karga namin. Hihi! Ikaw driver part? Ikaw mag-drive part? Hello brother, thank you. Oh. Jet ski, guys, oh. Yan yung mga yate, oh. Na mag-drive dyan, my loves. Wala na. Binitiawan na. Wala ka. Ikaw na mag-drive, my loves. O, sakay na. Hinintay lang namin yung driver. Oh. Sakay na tayo. Brother.
Battery week. Dong, ulitin. Dong. Dong, we will just hold and then just put this.
Hello, brother. How are you, brother? Good evening, brother. Oh. Nagdikit na sila. Angkol. Tinulak kami ni Angkol.
Dami yung kalikuran dito.
So ayun, kahit yan lang oh, yung service natin. Kanya.
Siguro drugs to. Lang na nila ang tagalipan.
Syukran, brother. Yun, tumakbo na siya. Wow. Wala, yung una nakadaga, paspas oh. Hop, ilaw na. Hello, brother. Ano siya? Alis na kami, guys.
Bisa na dong. Patigaan sa kapat.
Yehey! Woohoo! Alis na kami, madilim. Nandito na kami sa isla. Yes, island. Diyan lang kami guys, oh. Diyan sa may ilaw na yan. Diyan lang kami.
2 hours.
Oh. Durog na may tao.
Ito, nagisingin. Hindi ka namin sila